at the start of the hearing in the case Liberty Party versus National Elections Commission, the Temple of Justice that hosts the Supreme Court of Liberia was heavily guided by armed state security. Brumskine and his party executives were present at the court. Brumskine, on his arrival on the grounds of the Temple of Justice at the Supreme Court, said no word to any journalist. He is one of the lawyers in his own case. But what do Liberians who have gathered at the Temple of Justice hope to see come out of the first hearing of the court? Here are some Liberians.
My expectation in being here today is to monitor the decision coming from our Supreme Court. But from my own opinion, I do stand with the Liberty Party 100% that if any decision comes from the court, it should be that we should go for a review.
Rule of law will prevail in this case today. The Supreme Court will come over a unanimous verdict that will put the Liberty Party in front, saying that yes, this election, this prohibition will stand and the election will be rescheduled, come what may.
A case to file a injunction on the National Election Commission. So they are here to show reason why to the full bank why the rate of prohibition should be issued to the National Election Commission. And National Election Commission is here to show reason why this rate of injunction of prohibition should not be issued on National Election Commission.
As a citizen, as a Liberian, what do you expect? What is your expectation from the
court?
My
expectation is high, in a very good manner with the Holy Power. That the case prior, that what I've been listening to for Councillor Brumskine, it has no magnetic in it. And I do believe in my mind, optimistic, very much optimistic, it will be thrown out of the window soon. Just watch it.
We are here to foster justice without sympathy or empathy either, but to adequately effect what is needed that is cogent for our citizens in this country. And I believe that the Councillor Brumskine rate of prohibition to the Supreme Court is genuine and cogent to the fact that our people will not compromise people's feelings on the basis of this to Liberia. No, we will not accept that. Councillor Brumskine is on a right trajectory for filing such a case that will bring relief upon our judicial system and upon our governance system in this country. People come with the issue with their feelings before the August body to discuss the issue that Councillor Brumskine had no magnitude. It becomes silent, it's troubling to our democracy.
To seek legal matter, we should be hearing people like that. Now if a single fly ever being hit, say he had a disagreement or say we had our grief, now if a single fly ever being hit, people, we hope to see a due process, definitely, that there will be a rerun for the entire process, because there's something in the law says when even things that are not done right, they have never done none at all. I will be very, very excited for rerun. I'll be very, very excited for rerun. And I want to tell all Liberians that indeed Councillor Brumskine should be looked at as a different person or a person who wants to cause harm to our state. He's someone who is very peaceful and he means well for this country. That is why he takes the legal stand, because he knows that the only way you can address your problem is the Supreme Court or the legal means.
From these processes is nothing else but Liberia. In that, we understand all of the rank and files of the court processing, but I want to conscientize our brothers and sisters. Yes, though all of those things happen, but let us first put Liberia in front of the picture to see these processes go on, and let history record us for our bravery in terms of accepting some value and esteem Liberia of higher than any other country.
Now the issue here is either rerun or no rerun.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. For my part, I see rerun to be a rerun, but it will not be. In that, a rerun for this country will cause some chaotic situation, and that we are not opting for.
I am hoping, because if there is rerun, let me tell you something. If there is rerun, let the citizens of Liberia understand it will not only be for presidency.
Brambu is a councillor at law and a constitutional.
That's what will happen today. It was in the civil procedure and criminal procedure. Prohibition is an alternative way to stop someone from proceeding illegally or if they're proceeding illegally to undo what they have done. So I'm sure that they will be doing what's in the confines of the law.
Do we expect a ruling today?
Well, you cannot tell. The ruling is for the courts. So the courts can just look at the briefs that was filed and the returns, and they don't even have to have argument because they already have it. So they could also listen, and by asking questions, they may decide ruling reserve, or they can sua sponte give the ruling. But everything, I'm sure, will be done in accordance to the law. Look at the security of the state and the peace of the people, because the people prevail, and not any international organization or body or groups. So this one, Liberia is a sovereign nation. 3 branches of government: the judiciary, the legislature, and the executive. And the judiciary is not in politics. You know, these people here, all these men want to be president of this country, and if something occurs, you will call international community to come to look at and investigate, intervene. We have the courts. It's an insult. Definitely 12 years. A woman broke the ceiling, brought peace. The rule of law will carry on. Then now the torchbearer go be your, instead of talking to your people, you're calling international community ECOWAS. Liberia will find out ECOWAS. A Harding, Romeo Harding, was the executive secretary in Togo. Then you had the Mana River Union, the very OAU, go to Sanikwele. You will see that the people who we part of, that the one you can call to come tell us, have peace and go to the rule of law. And what gets to me, every one of the people there in there, they're lawyers. These people who bring in these cases, lawyer Brumskine, Councillor Brumskine, and I became Councillor of the Supreme Court 1985. So from 85 to now, 35 years. If you know just where you come into the courts. So like give the courts a chance. I'm not here even today as a lawyer. I'm here as a member of this Women's Situation Room that have eminent Liberian women and eminent women from Africa. The Vice Solicitor General of Nigeria, she was here. The married lady, then they were here. We're going up now. So all these things here, it make me wonder about these men. If you're not able to hold the country, let us women carry it.
The hearing lasted for several hours, but after the hearing, this was what Charles Brumskine had to say to reporters. The court has set November 6 as the date for its final ruling, but it is not clear whether Liberians will go to the polls on November 7. Earlier, the National Elections Commission has announced the halting of all elections-related activities leading to the presidential runoff.